breath of fire. It's great. White Tantra practices, it's very energizing. It's great if you're trying to stop a bad habit, like if you want to stop smoking, just do it in the morning or in the afternoon because it's so energizing. It could keep you up at night. If you have a slump in the afternoon, you can do this and it will charge you up. And so I teach breath of fire here.
Yes. Even if breath of fire from yoga, which I do too, the way I watched her video, it's a YouTube video, it's 8 minutes or something. It's really worth it. I love the way you teach. It's just clean. You also have the nurse background. So you bring this validity to this from the medical world that you make these connections in that video of different things. I really like it. So I would highly recommend that everybody watch that video on the breath of fire.
Another great thing too for you to do is you can go out in nature and just do a primal yell. Just go yell, let it out. Like we hold so much within us. So holding back that frustration, that eats away at us. That's how disease begins in our body. It's dis-ease. We're having that discomfort. So let that out and then bring the love and the juiciness in.
Yeah, nature can handle us. I always say, if you don't have a person in your life that you can connect with at a particular time, maybe they're out of town, maybe there's tension, something going on. If you go into nature, can receive you completely. You can lay in nature, you can hug nature, you can express in nature, and it will always receive you without any negativity or emotion bouncing back at you. So it will just receive, and it teaches us how to receive.
In our modern worlds, we're so disconnected from nature, being on our computers, being inside. That's really impacted us in not the best way. So nature is so healing too, because the more we can surrender, the more we'll be able to receive. How we show up in the bedroom is how we show up in the boardroom, is how we show up in the Zoom room. Just noticing that and being like, all right, where am I trying to control too many things outside? And then it's having me try to control too much here without being able to go into flow or surrender with your partner.